One of the changes that we have made with Stella 4.0 is that the run range, if you will, that's shown along the bottom is no longer dependent upon the current settings for model specs. So this is a model specs where the time is running from 0 to stop time, and stop time here is a randomly selected variable depending upon the Sensi run count. And if I make a single run in this, it will give me 4 values, and I will see a confidence bounds, which is just one run, so there's only one thing to show there. But if I do an S run, what I will do is I'll have runs of different lengths. So the first run ran until time 8, the second run ran until time 2, and so on. And so what you can see is that the length of each of the individual runs is quite a bit different from one another. And as a consequence, for the final run here, it's only showing the final run, which happened to be of length about 2. And so in order to see the rest of the values, we'd actually need to move this bar from left to right and see it. As I make additional runs, watching the axis here on the stop time, it's going from 16 now to 4, and now it's at 4, and it's going to stay at 4 because all of these are length 4. So the actual amount of time that's shown and can be controlled from the scroll bar at the bottom here is dependent upon the runs that are loaded. One implication of this is if you have data loaded that's running has a longer time range than what is shown in the model, the full time range for the data will be available to be looked at. So really this is a change in the way we're looking at time, but this allows you then to run sensitivity tests where the model can stop earlier or later rather than having to have it stop at the same time every time.